So y'all ready for Halloween?
I don't know what I want to be. I might be like a little Stitch costume, a little Stitch.
I was thinking a good thing for us to do for Halloween was color purple. To do the color purple for Halloween.
We're gonna be what's the color?
We're gonna be Chucky.
He wants to be Chucky.
Oh, you gotta watch the movie.
We're gonna be Chucky for Halloween.
You gonna be Chucky?
But I might just be a little Stitch with a suit, cause I go without for pajamas, and it was good, but.
This is so delicious.
The rice is good. I'm not gonna lie.
Let me know. Make the homie eat your rice with sugar. I do.
I don't like my rice with sugar.
She don't eat sweet stuff like that.
No.
She only eats Snickers or like an ice cream sandwich or like Tootsie Rolls. She loves Tootsie Rolls.
Yes.
Cherry ice cream.
She'll only like eat Snickers or
No.
well, she'll eat some candy, but she won't eat like that.
I wish her a bite. I don't want to try to drop the food.
What's your mom?
Here. It's the camera's far.
What's your mom?
Look, guys, look what she has. It's a Michael Myers mask, and he was Michael Myers for last year, and it was too big for him. And one time it was Halloween, and I was a police girl, and I was scared of Michael Myers. Like, I thought he was real. So, anybody that was Michael Myers?
You got my twin.
I used to be.
You got my two Michael Myers.
He's a twin.
Nana, you know the one, two?
Guys, I'm gonna try to go on haunted houses this year.
Yes.
So if
I want to catch a haunted house.
You gonna come?
Mm-hmm.
Cause it's gonna be me, Samaya, Asaya, my mom, Steven. You coming?
Yes. Count me in.
Okay, guys. So she has this big truck. She has an 8-seater, and it's good for a family trip. And she said that we're gonna be going somewhere with her car soon, but she has to get her car together first, cause she got her car in August.
And he blessed me with a nice Infinity Q.
She only likes trucks. I'm gonna tell you guys that.
56.
She only 56.
Q. What is it? It's something.
She only likes trucks.
I can't remember.
She doesn't really like little cars.
Yeah, I don't have my shirts.
She doesn't really like. She has little cars. She don't like little cars, so she likes trucks. So any truck, well, not any kind of truck, but she likes trucks that she has. Her truck and the back handles is different. So you just, it's like on the side, and it's like, I don't know how to describe it. It's like something else. Like
the handle is on the side of the door.
Mm-hmm. Is it recording?
Mm-hmm.
I see that little button right there.
Yeah.
You guys,
don't touch the wing.
I'm gonna show you guys my channel. I'm on my tablet right now because my phone died. Wish I could show you guys. If it's on here, that'll be okay. But yep, it is. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So, oh wait. See, like what an I love.
Mm-hmm. Don't put your channel out there.
Don't show them.
No, you can tell them what it is.
Okay, I can't show you guys. So,
if you like to, you can subscribe to her channel.
I have 10 subscribers right now. I'm keeping up track with my.
Oh, he want to show you his car collection.
His car collection.
Look.
So, he got the the white one.
Okay, who don't like a nice ride?
And he's in love with Lamborghinis
Look at
and
this.
Lambos, so he has this and Bugattis. And he has this.
And got the yellow one.
He got this
Okay.
yellow one.
Got 3.
Look at
Look at
that.
the sides.
Who
Look
don't
at the
like the nice
sides. Look at
ride?
the sides.
Ooh, whipping.
He also has a remote control one, so
He whipping. Yep.
guys, look at my granny got long nails for the second time.
Uh,
She likes short nails, so
We got
like my nails.
so this is her nails, and her nails are very long.
Yeah.
I have a habit of biting my nails, but I let them grow.
Your little remote. His remote.
They would the curl
To
would
his
go
car.
to the white one. The curl would go to the white one.
I can't show you guys because I got told that some like creeps be on YouTube, so
Yeah, creeps.
and they find out your information and all that, so can't show you guys. But it's called Life
This right here is bussin'.
Life with
Good
Can I
gumbo.
say my name? Well, you already said my name. Life with Nyla, and that's it.
Yes.
Yeah, I'll go see what she wants.
Bussin'.
Donnie, you know what you're trying to do?
Almost done.
You know what to do.
You see?
You got this with time YouTube. You have to use time YouTube.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's 9:43.
It's 9:43.
Yeah. And I was like in black guys for every time.
So guys, I'm in dance class. I'm playing the
Look like my
violin.
hair is cut off.
I'm playing the violin. So we stay in there for an hour, 2 to 3:30.
Don't pull your shirt up.
The end.
Next time I'll fix my adjustments.
The day.
But my hands is messy. I would fix it, but I don't want to touch the
So guys, I'm in dance class, so I'm gonna show you guys
Camera.
my little dance, okay? So, my phone's right
No, you can't play the
Here.
music.
Huh?
You can't play the music. Okay, we'll get copyright.
So music. So you have to do this. Put your right leg out. It looks like this leg, but it looks like this leg, but it's actually this leg. So I'm gonna put that one out. I'm gonna put this one. It looks like this. It looks like that leg. But this leg. It looks like this leg, but it's
Next
this
time I
leg.
need to fix the angle.
And go like this, and you gotta go like that. Boom, boom,
Mm-hmm.
boom. 1,
Good.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I turn around, and then it's the moon. I go like this, stars. Wait, hold on. Stars, and then I turn to one, and then fall, and then this, boom, 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 boom.
Yep. But because it's fire,
And then you're gonna go like
there's
this.
no school.
You're gonna go like this. And you're gonna do this.
I know I've been gone
So
for a while,
I'm performing.
and I'm coming back all over the place.
Granny, I'm performing in 5 weeks. So
Oh yeah.
I'm performing for dance class in 5 weeks.
Are we invited?
Parents? Alright, come. Parents are allowed to come because we already got our stuff. Boom. I have to get my black. My mom says she has to get it, but she hasn't get it. It's those, you know, those black things.
Leotards?
No, you know those black things for your feet.
Uh-huh.
in this like ballet things.
The
Those.
ballet shoes.
Yeah, I need those. I need to buy them.
Mm.
It's at Walmart. I'm getting my leotards from Walmart. I'm getting everything from Walmart. So like somebody will take probably for Christmas. Guys, what you guys are gonna do for Christmas? What you guys are gonna get for Christmas?
Right.
I'm getting an iPad, some winter clothes, some slime, and more. And I want a Hello Kitty bed sheet.
I think everybody loves Hello Kitty.
And well, one of my friends does
I
it.
still love Hello Kitty.
Guys, some people say Hello Kitty is not a kitty, a cat.
What do they say it is?
They said it's like some type of animal, like different animal. Guys, she's
I'm gonna retrieve every little meat in these legs.
she does it. She like,
I do not be playing.
like she looks like so like what she does. I didn't clean up my area, but what she does is like she picks meat out and makes sure there's even if it's a one single meat.
What's the time now?
Yes,
Dang
I'm
it.
going to get to every little
In
image.
94. In 94.
And I can't get us out of here because of my nails.
In 94.
Let's go for the rest of the day. I mean, I get to sleep in, work on my dance. And
Now, how to keep them on your phone?
no, because you threw my phone outside.
No, you didn't.
No,
No, that's not a breed.
no, I told him to give me my phone. He said, "Here, you quiet baby," and he threw my phone.
Okay.
He
Oh,
went
your
like
phone.
this.
Are your phone ready, guys?
Yeah, because you're on it.
But I'm so glad to be back.
This is not milk. This is her chocolate.
I've been chowing eating. But I'm so glad to be back, man. I've been gone for a long time.
I'm going to show y'all my Halloween things. First, I got this fake spider. Yeah, I'm showing the Halloween things. I got fake spider.